joining our workshop today. Great to see so many people made it up here and interested in our topic and want to join us for our discussion today. We are today concluding the third and last day of our collaboration with the International Energy Agency on low carbon, high comfort lighting. And within the discussion today, we will have subsections for each of the 4 subtests of the IEA work, which will be passive solar strategies, occupant comfort, digitized lighting solutions, and case studies. And so within each of the subtests, we will have first 2 presentations by researchers, and then follow up with some discussion with our panel, as well as some discussion and questions from the audience. I think we are ready to get started, and our first speaker today will be Marc Lafrance from the United States Department of Energy, and he will tell us the DOE's perspective on integrated lighting solutions.